up QuickVids. And in QuickVids, we'll just explore our surroundings and build some stuff quickly. So, as you can see, this is a pretty epic spawn. Just got this big area where it dips, where the cave kind of just dips down. And then it goes to this cave. If this was survival, I think that would be kind of useful if you were more of a cave person. If you were more of a casual person, maybe it's not the best. But in creative, it looks totally epic, and I feel like later on, this could be the centerpiece for some kind of massive build. That would probably take multiple videos to complete. But right now, we're just at the beginning. So, for today's Twitch vid, we're going to explore. Oh, and guess what? We found a village already. A quick vid today will kind of just be seeing. Ooh, this is an interesting type. Looks like some compact little bunker in here. Never knew that was here. This one is a tall house. Oh, the ladder starts here. It's a small ladder. Like that. A compass. Never knew to find compasses in tiny villages. Ooh, a campfire. Didn't know you could find campfires. Sweet berries? Don't have to worry about walking through them. Because I'm non-survival. Oh wait, they slow you down. Well, all the sort of interesting. Regular village loot. Compass might be pretty rare though. Oh, more exploration. But because you might be looking for something a little more neat, we are going to build. Prismarine changes color all the time. Color over time. I can't show you the full color change. Take too long, but it does, and I feel like it's the best block for an oceanic build. Which is why, overlooking this village, I'm going to make a statue from this base. Well, this isn't actually the part that's the Trident. The part that's the free prawns will come up around here. It's a lightning trident, inspired by Greek mythology, and a lot of these QuickVids builds will have some inspirations. I do that trick to make sure something is just as tall as it's meant to. Because this is an ocean build, and I'm gonna make froglight. Take this ochre froglight and add it in here. While it doesn't go with the oceanic theme, it goes a lot with the lightning part of the theme. Well, that's today's Twitch vid, and it is pretty epic. That's all for today. But remember to subscribe to be notified when the next content comes. That'll be all on Orion Gaming QuickVids #1.